Hello there and welcome to Acadle. So today I have an announcement for you. We have just launched a new feature which is a survey tool. So having an inbuilt survey tool in your LMS helps you get more real-time feedback from your users, and hence you can improve their learning experience in their learning path by adding useful content with the feedbacks and the suggestions that you get from the surveys. So all you have to do is within your courses, you have the plus icon towards the bottom. You will see the new survey feature which is visible over here. So I'll just show you how a survey looks like. We have multiple options within a survey wherein we have multiple choice, a slider, an open-ended question, and a checkbox. So with those types of questions, you can create your own custom questions for the survey. This is how it looks from an admin's point of view. I'll just switch to the user's point and I'll show you how a user will be able to answer the survey. So when you log in as a user and when the user goes to a survey, so the survey looks like this. They can answer the questions. So this is the slider wherein they can actually put the slider according to their rating or their satisfaction. This is an open-ended question. And this is a checkbox. So once they submit the survey, they can move to the next lesson or the next course which is available. And moving back to the admin, I'll show you how the results will look like. So while going to the admin's point of view, and if you go to the reports in the survey, you'll be able to see the particular result that is given by the user. So there is also a graphical view. When you click on that, so you'll be able to see the graphical representation of the answer as well. So now you have a survey in your LMS, so you can get real-time feedbacks after each lesson, each course. It's up to you. So have fun. Hello and welcome to Acadle. This is Vaishak and I have an announcement for you. We have just launched multiple currencies within the pricing plan of the Academy. So now you can create your paid courses with multiple currencies. So I'll just show you 5 simple steps in which you can create a pricing plan with multiple currencies. So step number 1 is go to the user settings and create a new user group in which you want the courses to be made live. So for example, I've created the diamond group over here in the users group. And step 2 is to go to the courses. Once you go to the courses, create a new course in which you want it to be a paid course and to be assigned to the group. So for example, I've created a diamond plan course and I have assigned it to the diamond group of the users. So that's done. As step 3, go to the admin settings and over there, you will see the pricing. Within the pricing, you'll have to set up the Stripe configuration of the Stripe payment gateway. Within your Stripe account, you will find the Stripe key, the secret, and you also have to set up the callback URL, save it and enable the Stripe settings. As step 4, all you have to do is create a plan. So we have made some changes also within the interface of the pricing plan. And over here, you can see that you have the multiple currencies available. You can choose any currency that you want. And I have created a sample plan over here. So let's say you give a name of it, you give a description, you set the price, and you assign it to the particular group. Finally, the same product that you have created in your Stripe account has to be configured within the exact or the respective pricing plan that you create. So once done, submit it and make sure that you publish the plan. And as step 5, all you have to do is go to the configurations within the admin settings and enable the pricing within the Academy. And you may also choose to enable pay and register within the Academy. So that is how you create a pricing plan with 5 simple steps. I'll just quickly hover to the users preview and I'll show you how it works. So right now I've just logged in as a user and I can see that there is no course available for me. So all I have to do is once I go to the user view, I can actually see that there are no paid courses available. These are all the free courses. So once I click on more courses, over here is the unlock more courses. So there is the diamond plan available. I click on buy now. I can see that there is a new course which I have to pay for the particular amount. Click on proceed and I, as a user, will be redirected to the payment page where I can set up the card for payment. And once I've done that, I can set up the billing address. So that is done. All I have to do is click on play. So once I click on pay, what the user gets is an authentication. You can see that over here. So click on the complete authentication to process the payment. So once the payment is processed and completed, the user will be getting a message that the payment has been successful. Just a second. Yep. So the payment has been successful, and once it's done, there is a message confirmation. So all the user has to do is click on go to home. They will be redirected to the courses page, and the new paid course that they have purchased will be available for them. So this is how you create a simple pricing plan or paid courses within your academy, and you can make money out of the paid course. That's all. So if you have any questions or any queries related to how you can do the setup, just send an email to support@acadle.com anytime. Thank you.